It's super cool, guys. If you follow the steps in the video, it's going to work for you. So keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it.
How's it going, my little garden snakes? Do you get active in Pokemon TCG Pocket? Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of Pokemon TCG Pocket. So what this will do is give you unlimited Pokegold. So as you can see at the moment, I have 2,980 Pokegold, which is cool and all. But in this mod menu, as you can see, guys, we can enable unlimited Pokegold. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. So let me just increase it all the way up. It's a little hard to do, but yeah, you can see if I wasn't looking through the camera. But yeah, look at that, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Pokemon TCG Pocket hack for iOS and Android, guys. Super cool. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this onto your device. It's actually not that hard. So there's really only one thing we have to do. We need to go onto this really sus website called tweakmod.com. This site is not on any Reddit posts. Someone on Discord told me about it, and it's just a really cool site. So once you're here, guys, just type in Pokemon, and then obviously we're doing Pokemon TCG Pocket, so go ahead and press install. And before it downloads, there is going to be verification, so this is the last step. Basically, before you can actually download this, you do have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's actually pretty easy, guys. Basically, as I said, you're just downloading 2 of the apps and following the instructions. So it shouldn't take that long to do, but I'm going to show you guys right here. As you can see, it's loading up. So yeah, basically I just got to download like 2 of these apps. So as you can see, it says I'm missing files. So you just want to download some of them, and then basically when you follow the specific specified instructions, the Pokemon TCG Pocket mod will be installed. So I can't tell you what those are going to be specifically, but like as you can see, Underdog Fantasy says download and run for 30 seconds, then Travel Town says reach level 9. So just pick some of them, press on it, download it, and you're done. So I'll see you later, but that's how to get a 2025 Pokemon TCG Pocket hack for your device.